everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. That was me trying to get this. This is a pink lemon guava that Taylor came back years ago from Louisiana. There's two of them. And I was in a pot with a bunch of stuff that was decomposing. You know, I put compost in some of the big pots on the bottom. And then I put the plant on it, you know, with soil in between, because I know the roots are never going to hit it. And it really went through, so it was sitting down here. Poor thing. I never could get it totally out, so what I did is I pulled it to the side and I kept just shoving soil in there. It was like, it's not leaving this pot. So if I don't like this color, we're going to spray paint it. So Taylor loves the guava. It's almost tastes like a passion fruit. We grow passion fruit, and it's got like a musty smell. Papaya is a good one. We grow papaya. Well, we try to grow papaya. We have no fruits yet, but this is out. The reason it has a weird smell, it's out of the myrtle family, and so probably most of you don't know about the myrtle family. You know all the spices like bay, cinnamon, and cloves. Those are out of the myrtle family, which surprises me because this doesn't have the fruits like they do. Actually, cinnamon is the bark of the tree. But these little petunias, I'm going to just put these in both pots. They really need to be put in. These are the ones that I saved from Lowe's for $1. And let me figure out how to space these really quick. And these will overtake the whole thing. And the good thing about putting these in here, because I really love these, and I'm always so sad at the end of the year when things are being frozen. And so a lot of the stuff I put in pots that I'm going to bring in. This comes in. This is tropical. It's from Peru area. So from thousands of years ago. And so when I plant these in here, or any of the little petunias or anything, they survive. They're perennials if they're indoors. Just trim them down and water them, and in the spring, all of a sudden they know when it's spring more than you. So it's really interesting. So so now I'll have these, and then next year all I have to do is bring this out in the spring, add some fertilizer, and I have all the plants back. And these actually, if you ever looked at that, it's on the video, all the, let me think. I gotta think. Yeah, the pepper plant, I'll show you, it's over there by the deck with all the pink flowers. I never replant that. I just added fertilizer. So this is a quick potting, how to take care of your guava tree. By the way, have you ever eaten one of these? It's like, it's really hard with the seeds in there, but you should tell your sons and husbands and friends. This actually, I don't know if it totally stops prostate cancer, but it's a really big deal. So for Father's Day, why don't you go get them a guava tree? Actually, Lowe's sells them. Have a great day. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm.